Okay, going hot. Take 3. We're going to have a little physics conversation without no sexual harassment or nothing physical. We talking about physics. We want to get to string theory. I had on Facebook, some friends of mine, somebody said something about string theory, posted a big old formula that nobody understands. It's got Latin and shit in it. But string theory, and I played stupid like I like to do, but I want to set the record straight and want to let everybody know what it is in case they don't know. So we're going to start with basic physics, okay? Now, everybody pretty much knows this. You got an atom with a neutron here. We're going to call that the N, the neutron. Then you got protons and electrons, okay? That's the 3 types of atom. A battery sends the electrons to the protons. That's how, anyway, we ain't going to electricity. That's another video. All right, so you got your basic atom with protons, electrons, and neutrons. Now, we also have that broken down, proven, not no damn theory like a string theory. It can only be validated or proven false. It cannot be proven. That's why they freaking call it a theory, just like evolution, like I come from a monkey. Now, some colored folk might have. I mean, I see the semblance in a razorback sometimes, but still, I'm in the South, and it might be presidential upbringing, you know, a little prejudicial upbringing I ain't got over yet, but I'm working on it. I'm getting better. Anyway, this atom here is our basic, and most people understand that, the atom, even if they didn't know it was protons, electrons, and neutrons. Don't ask me to spell them. The atom has been actually broken down into quarks, okay, Quarks, in the protons and the neutrons, right? Now, that electron, that's the mother. That's how you get electron microscope, electron this. So electron is what was going to be broken down to later, called a lepton. Now, I'm not trying to lose you. Please don't let me lose you. The electron is a class called the lepton, long down this line. I'm going to make this quick. So you got the quarks and the protons and the neutrons, right on? Now, we're fitting to get into a little particle physics. That's basic physics. We're going to get into some particle physics. In the particle physics, there's 12 blocks down here. And of these blocks, 6 of them are the leptons, like electrons. Your basic building block, don't get much. That's what we're starting at. Okay, so you got 6 leptons in the 12, right? 6 leptons. And you got 6 of these things we like to call the quarks, right? And the quarks are named, by the way, up, down, charm, strange, bottom, and top. Get the heck out of here. Now, you know, the leptons, they named electron, muon, taion, and 3 neutrinos. Not to be confused with the barjack, amberino. That's fishing. That's another video. Anyway, so now we down to the quarks in these 12 building blocks, okay? Now, the way that breaks down past that is the people say right below that actually ain't something smaller in some part of them we ain't seen yet, that it's a string, and when that string oscillates, it can either become a proton, electron, or neutron, that actually the little balls and all the stuff in our solar system and all that, which our solar system, our universe, the Milky Way itself could be a molecule in the toenail of some monster. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't going that way. We're going this way right now. We ain't big banging and stuff. That's a different video. We right down to the part where everything below the quarks and they named and charm up and down all that is actually a string. And by the way, that string oscillates or interacts or moves, or hey, if it turned into a spring string, imagine a spring sting theory. Wait a minute. That's a good one. But anyway, that's what they're saying, that the springs actually make up, they ball up, they blow up, they bing, bing, bang, whatever. That's what string theory is. Now, quantum physics has proven, I think by proton bombardment through solid objects, that there's another dimension because they have moved light molecules past a barrier object. But that's quantum physics, that's another subject. We was talking string theory on this one. Stay tuned. Because old Bats ain't as dumb as he acts.